see this? Do you see this? It's freaking nature, and it's freaking awesome.
Go ahead.
Have you been cleared into the ramp?
Okay, so that's what it is.
No, that was a question. Have the ramp people cleared you into the gate?
Roger.
Alright. Oh, there's a little one right there. Look at that. I mean, brand new. Look at the whole flock taking care of this little guy. Man, that is brand new. That is as small as a gosling that you're ever gonna see. And the crew is all around him. He's getting an escort. Tell you what, he's pretty badass. Wow.
I'm out here on the river and I ran into some very important people on the river, the cleanup crew. And I just wanted to say hi and introduce them to you guys. And they're very important. They're good people. Are you guys hiring? Huh? No? And another thing is, do you ever just take the trash out or do you always eat it? What's the ruling on that? Alright, who's the boss? Come on. Who's the boss? I don't know. Oh, you're the boss. Big man. Big G. Alright, buddy. Well, keep up the work. Great job. Fantastic work.
That's a magnet. Really? So you're all about just taking stuff off my boat now? Maybe I should put a red Kayak Guy sticker on your back. What do you think about that?
Where'd you meet? Duck, duck, go. Sorry.